Child, your girl had to run out the house and just had to throw on something, and she looked a mess. But listen, life does not come with an instruction manual, neither does parenting. You know, life is all about making choices, right? And those choices are going to lead to lessons, blessings, and ultimately life's experiences. The ultimate goal is to make sure that you are always growing and looking to increase your circle with people that are on the same path as you, right? If you find yourself connecting with people that no longer serve the same goals that you do, you got to say deuces and be okay with, you know, moving on and not allowing yourself to feel guilty for elevating your life, right? Like, come on, y'all. You got to want better and require better in order to get better.